with another delicious recipe for you to try at home.
Hi, we are back at the happyK kitchen at the Hilton of the Park. We are continuing with Chef Rohan from Colombo. So Rohan, what's the next step?
This is one of the accompaniments, for the fish dish. Basically, I'm going to do a pesto, but it's a different version of pesto. It's like the Sri Lankan pesto. So instead of the basil, I'm using curry leaf and coriander.
Wow.
Right? And okay, let's run through the ingredients. Sliced green chili, coriander, curry leaves, garlic, cashew nuts, lemon, salt. I'm actually using, instead of the parmesan, I'm using feta cheese to give a little bit of a punch, and of course olive oil, right? So let's see, I'm going to use the traditional mortar and pestle, right? Okay, that's already curry leaves, coriander, garlic inside. So I'm going to add a little bit of green chili, sliced green chili, cashew nuts, right, and salt. Be careful of salt because I'm going to use feta cheese, right? So I will use the feta cheese later on. Oh.
So if you don't have a mortar and pestle,
you can use a blender.
Blender at home?
Yeah, definitely. Now olive oil. So finally, I'm going to add the feta. Salt, and some lemon. All right, it's almost done, right? You can see it's nice and green. There you are. So that's the Sri Lankan pesto.
So, which means you can use this one for other things like the afternoon snack. Could you use it as a crudité?
Yeah, definitely you can use this as a dip, right? You can use this as a sauce, right? It's beautiful with fish, right? You get the lemony with the feta cheese, a little bit of punch, green chili, coriander. So you have a, as I said, a Sri Lankan, a flavor.
Yeah, as you can see that, building up to this very big fish dish, we have got another supplementary dish, which is the pesto, which made out of all Sri Lankan ingredients, and so which you can use it as a dip or a paste or pesto with other ingredients. So we will see Rohan again next week with the rest of his dish. So that's all for the day. We'll see you again next week. Bye for now.